Hi friends, I am Subhi from Fame Maths Classes. Welcome to my channel. Hope the previous video was useful to everyone. Dear children, if you have any doubt, please do comment. Today's video, I am going to discuss question number 9 and 10 of exercise 2.4 linear equation in one variable. So let us start the video. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, please do comment, like and share, children. Thank you. Now we are going to discuss question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. This is the question we need to answer. So here the two characters are the grandfather and granddaughter. Okay. And what about their age relationship? Grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. So here we got the two connections with grandfather's age and granddaughter's age. First connection, let us discuss. Here I am going to take, let granddaughter's age be 8. X. Age be X. If granddaughter's age is X, then what will be grandfather's age? Look into the question. That is, you can see that grandfather's age is equal to 10 times. Grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. 10 times. That means it is 10 into X, or grandfather's age, we got it as 10x. And they have given another relation. That is, he is also 54 years older than her. Another connection they have given, that grandfather is 54 years older than her. That means we know that granddaughter's age plus 54 years. So this is the two connections of grandfather's age. So with the granddaughter. And you can see that grandfather, both 10x and x plus 54 are grandfather's age. So definitely same thing, both are grandfather's ages. So we can equate them. So we got 10x equal to x plus 54. So I am going to bring this x to the left hand side. It becomes minus x, and 54 is there in the right hand side. So 10x minus x, all of you know that it is 9x, and 9x equal to 54, x equal to 54 divided by 9. And we got it is 6 years old. Here the granddaughter is 6 years old. So we can find the grandfather's age. The connection is given, very simple. So grandfather's age equal to 10x, that is 10 into 6, which is equal to 60 years. So granddaughter is 6 years and grandfather is 60 years old. Hope it's clear, children. Thank you. Now question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find the present ages. So we need to find Aman's age as well as his son's age. So it is given that Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So we need to consider son's age as x. Then what will be Aman's age? If son's age is x, then definitely Aman's age will be 3 times x. That we got. Then 10 years ago. So I'm just writing 10 years ago. What will be son's age? Definitely 10 years ago, son's age will be x minus 10. Correct? And Amal's age also will be 10 years lesser than his present age. His present age is 3x. So 10 years lesser than that means it is 3x minus 10. So we got son's age is x minus 10. Amal's age is 3x minus 10 when it was 10 years ago. And then they said 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. 10 years ago there is a connection between Amal's age and his son's age. That is, Amal's age is 10 years ago, Aman's age is equal to 5 times means 5 into his son's age. So children, Amal's age, we know it is 3x minus 10 and 5 times son's age means it is x minus 10. Don't forget to put this bracket there. And so we can open the bracket, which is 3x minus 10 is equal to, when you open the bracket, you can see you need to apply distributive property. That means 5 into x, 5x minus 5 into 10, 50. And now we can bring all the x values to the left side. We got 3x minus 5x and take all the constant to the right hand side. But before taking that, you need to write what is there in the LHS first. You need to write what is there in the RHS first. So RHS, it is minus 50 is there. Keep it there and take this minus 10 to the other side. It becomes plus 10. So 3x minus 5x, we know 3x minus 5x, 3 minus 5, we need to subtract them and put the bigger one side. So it becomes minus 2x equal to minus 50 plus 10, we know that is equal to minus 50 plus 10, we need to subtract 50 and 10 and put the bigger one side. So it is 40, 40 and both are minus. So x equal to minus 40 by minus 2. So the answer is 20. Or we can say that Aman's son's age is 20 years and Aman's age will be equal to 3 times x. So 3 into 20, 60 years. So these are the ages. Hope this problem is very clear to all of you. Please watch my video completely. Thank you for watching.